And welcome to So this is pretty much what it looks like, all laid out, unpacked, not super neatly organized, but at least you can see how it all works out. So here it is, just a couple of dresses. This is Gabe's, my stuff over here, and then everything laid out. So everything that you see here unpacked made its way in this carry-on. My month here in Mexico has come to an end, which means it's time to pack. And this time I came with only a carry-on. I truly do not know how I'm doing it for 3 months. So let me show you how that all gets done. To be exact, this, let me pull it out, hold on. This right here, so a backpack and a roly is all I have. And all I have to make this work again. I made it work once. I know I can make it work again. Here we go. Step one, I grab everything and I throw it on the bed, like visualize everything that I have. And then we get started with the packing pack. So this is pretty much it. Besides like my computer, like technology stuff that I have right here, this is it. Let's make it work. Here we go. So first things first, the first thing that I always start with is actually picking out the clothes that I'm going to wear tomorrow, which is the travel day. So as soon as I have like that picked out, which I'm probably gonna wear like these biker shorts, I just need to find a shirt. Then I can get into like stuffing everything as small as possible. That's what I'm doing right now. So this is literally like a little purse. I'm putting in the waistband, the crossbody strap, and I'm even going to take it a step further and just like push in little tiny things that I can fold up. So like these bucket hats that I can literally make super minimal, I'll squish them into this purse. So that way everything is contained in a smaller package. That's my ultimate hack. These have to be my favorite type of bags ever because you can fit so much in it. And these I actually travel with like in my hand in case anything is overweight. I'll literally put it in here and just use this as a purse. Since I'm taking two, I'm just gonna put it inside. But it was a huge thing. And now you're going to see how small this gets. Voila, look at how cool. It turns into like this little tiny pouch. I love it. We only need to get the shoes. So I have 3 pairs of shoes. I'll travel with these and put the Converse and these sandals away because they're the smallest. And they go right here in this little shoe bag. And this is from Amazon. In here, I already have my water shoes because you know me, we're going to the beach. That's the only hint you're gonna get as to where we're going next. We're ready to stuff everything inside. What I am gonna do though is look at the picture of how I packed everything when I came. I took a picture because it was like a puzzle piece to get it all to fit in together. So this is the before when I was packing in Miami. Oh no, I took it here. That's so smart. I took it here before unpacking. So this is basically what we're going to try to recreate. Let's get to it. Maybe this. Perfect. We're almost there. Just like that, my friends. It closed and we're ready to go. Almost said I wasn't gonna make it. So just like that, my bags are packed. Technology stuff all goes in my backpack. I got my clothes ready for tomorrow and here we go. 3 months in one carry-on. Trust me, I'm very surprised. This is not me. I'm not like the backpacker style. It's just not me. And another thing about me is that at an airport, like if I'm traveling, I'm not the type of person like, let's wear everything. No, I need to travel as comfortable as possible. Like I barely want anything in my hands, which is why I just prefer to travel with a backpack rather than a purse. Because once you start doing those long, this one thankfully isn't that long, but once you start doing those long Asia trips, you learn that comfort is literally kiss when traveling. Now there's a reason why I picked this carry-on, because as somebody who's been traveling full-time, like my luggages take a lot of research. So my actual big bag that I took to Asia and to Europe, I highly researched, and it is the most lightweight big bag on the whole internet. Trust me, I did my due diligence. So with the carry-on, I had to do the same exact research. This carry-on in specific fits European standards, which is a lot smaller than other airlines, and on top of that it expands, so that way I was like, okay, good for both. And the most important part that people don't know that I realized is when you use a hard shell, and normally it opens up like halfway, you know, like a book, that causes less stuff to be able to fit in your bag. This one opens up right here, so it's literally a big front pocket that allows you to stick everything in, shove everything in here, squeeze it tight, and then close it while still, oh, it opened up completely now, while still being a hard shell luggage bag. This is literally a winner, and trust me, I packed the same amount of stuff and I tried it in this one and in my small, same size that opens up halfway, it wouldn't close. That's why this one is literally a game changer, and I got this on Amazon. Like, hello. So there you have it. Everything that I packed my bags with is on my Amazon storefront. I've tried compression bags, I've tried the packing cubes, I've tried it all. Normally, if I'm going to the cold, of course, I'm gonna take a bag that's carry-on. Doesn't work if you're going to need coats. So if I'm going to need coats, then I'll put it in the compression bag, take the air out, and then pack. But other than that, packing cubes really work because you can push them in a compression bag. Since it gets so hard because you're literally sucking the air out of it, you can't move it around. It's literally like a block there in the middle of your bag. Trust me, I've packed lots of bags in this last year of traveling full-time, so I know what I'm talking about. All right, find out where I'm headed to next on Instagram, and I'll see you next week.